Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's Carol, and I'm coming back again with my journal that I made with the cardboard on it, and this is as far as I got. I made the cover, I put the signature in, and I made it a different way than normally. I'm using my Sari silk as, the binding in here, and so I thought I'd come along and do some decorating in here. And yeah, so let's get started. And I wanted to do something in the front cover. And I cut the paper down to size. I'm thinking of making it a, I'm going to do like a three-way fold and keep it inside to put it inside the journal behind the front cover. Now this paper is 12 inches. I'm going to fold it in 3. So I think I'm going to fold it at 3 3/4. So this way the middle of it it'll be a little bit wider than the sides. So let's see, 3 3/4 over here would be 3 3/4. So I'm going to use this as my guide just to get a little bendy in there. And this is Tim Holtz paper. And what I'm going to do is I will round my corners. I think it looks neater, and I love the way it looks in the creases, in the folds over here. So let me get this side done. And I thought I'd do some decorating in here. Okay, now what I could do is I can bring this down and make like a little pocket here. And then I can make, that's what I'm going to do, just to make a little different. I'm going to bring this down. And get a good crease in there. So I could make a small pocket here, and it could be a flip open. Could be a flip open. Oh my goodness. Okay, I can have it. Let's see what that would look like. I have nothing planned for this, for the decorating today, so I just have my bits and pieces here. So I could do this. I can have it, and I can see it while it's in the journal. So I can glue this down, 2 sides. Can use that as a tuck. Have this glued down. Have a pocket here, and a pocket here. Can even have a pocket here. So let's just get on and see what we can do here. Okay. So I'll glue it down on over here. Well, I'm going to glue this top down. I'll glue this down so that, oops, so this isn't sticking up. Okay, so we'll have this down here. Okay, I do have more bits and pieces here, and I can stay in the little bit of the blue family. Okay, Okay, I should ink this also. I'll just bring it to the side here. See, this is what I love, is the way the corners on the inside look when you round those corners. I think it looks so pretty. Okay, so let me just ink real quickly this here. So I'm gonna put a pocket there. Just trying to see if I should keep it on this side, or that's really bright, the blue. I have all my bits and pieces over here. I have the buggy one. Oh, that's nice. I like this one. Okay, so where is my pencil? Here it is. So I'm going to make a little pocket right here, just for something small. Where's that mark? Let's see if I could tear it. Okay. Just trying to see how high I should go. I'm going to cut it even right across here. I'm going to use that line. And, oh my gosh. Okay, I did have my thumb hole. Oh my gosh, pardon me. Okay, I don't know where it went. I did bring it here. So, I don't have it here. So I'm just going to ink this a little bit. Get that out of here. Does that look too tall? I don't know. I will do this. I will round the corners, all the corners, because I think it'll look nicer. I have so much piled up all around me that I probably have my corner rounders under something, and when I finish the video, it's going to pop right in front of my eyes. Okay. And then we can put a piece of lace there, or you know what else I could put? I have my Sari silk right next to me. And what color? I can do my pinkish color. Okay, this is so twisty. That looks pretty. I haven't used my Sari silk in a while. Okay. What I like about it is you stretch it out, and then when it gets a hold of the glue, the ends pop back together. I like that. I think it looks so pretty. So I'm just gonna snip that off. And I do have, oh, I know what I'm gonna put there. I have these little pink flowers. I think that'll look nice. Let's stick some glue on there. Oops, and let that sit a little bit. This is one of those materials that the art glitter glue is going to take a few seconds. Let me cut this little piece off. Okay. This is the same day that I started this. I'm gonna stick this in here because look, this is just not setting right. This is the same day crafting as I started this journal, but just a few hours later. So I still have a lot of my things around from the first filming. Oops. That looks good. I like that. So I wonder if I should put a pocket. Although, you know what? I'm going to bring this in case I just moved that a little bit. Just in case I want to put a circle for closure. Oh my gosh, I'm going to have to move this way over here. This wasn't so brilliant after all, was it? I'm going to make a... Oh, and I need my circle punch for that, and I don't have it. Oh my gosh. I was going to make a circle punch there. Although I could have... Oh, I do have circle punches here. I do have it anyway, so I don't need you right now, circle punch. Okay, so I can put that there and use this as a closure. So it works out good. Okay, and this was punched on Tim Holtz paper also. So I'm just going to put a little glue on the bottom half. And this will set. Okay, so I'm not going to play with this too much because I don't want this to, you know, I don't even think I'm liking this. Well, it's stuck down, so it's stuck there now. I think what I'm going to do is put some bling there. I just think it needs something other than that little flower. So let's see what I have here. Okay, I think I'm just going to put a couple of these here when I find my scissors. Oh, I don't know if I want to put that one. Yeah, I'm just going to put 3 of them down. Oh my gosh, this is not even... They're in a strip, and the first couple I tried to get off, they were coming apart, so they should be in like set of 3 right here. Okay, I think that you can see it when you opened it up, but when it's closed you really can't see it, but that's okay. And I could put a smaller pocket there. And this is going to be behind the front cover, so let's see what that'll look like. I have some washi tape that I brought along. Okay, so I think I'm going to put this down. Oh, I'm getting a tickle in my throat. Excuse me. Okay, so I'm going to put this down 2 sides, and then we'll be able to use the back as a tuck. I just like to leave that option. Okay, and I could put just a thin piece of sari silk there. Here's a piece that has oh my gosh, I think I'll use it. It has like the rainbow color of the yellow and the pink together. So just trying to... I probably should have done this before I glued it down. But sometimes you can't see what you need to do until you put it where it's going to be. Now, if you understood what I said, you're pretty good. In other words, sometimes you can look at something and not realize what else you need to put on it until it's in the journal, you know, because I really didn't, oh gosh, I really didn't notice it until, or realize that I should put something on there, because I was really paying attention to that stuff over there. Now that's pretty. I like that two-tone. Okay, now we have, and this is holding up pretty good inside there. Now I have more ephemera that I made, different things here. And this, I wanted to put some large pieces, you know, behind the front and back cover. So I think I'm going to stick this one on the back. And again, I'm going to put it down on 2 sides so we can use that as a tuck. There's a tuck spot in the front here. Oh, this is a index card. And then I have a nice big journaling card in the back. I love this paper. It's so pretty. It's double-sided. So you have polka dots on one side, and the other side is, they look like old advertisements. I'm not sure what paper pack it came out of. So I think I'm just going to glue this down here. I'm going to glue it this way so we can tuck back there. Okay. These are pieces that I made a while ago. And that's what I've said this so many times, that, as do other crafters, you know, like, it's so fun to make all your little pieces. And then when you go to put your journal together, you have a big variety to pick from. Okay, this here is moving about a little bit right now. So I don't know if it's not going to go anywhere because it's tucked in there, but it's just moving up and down. Okay, I love this paper. I did bring my stamping also, which is somewhere over here. Here they are. That's my pretty little. And I'm also, hopefully I can make some corner tags. Corner covers. I guess that's what you call them. I don't know what you call them. Corner covers. Maybe I'll make that right now. Okay, now. Oh, you know, and I thought I had everything all set here. I'm going to put this off to the side. Okay, so the corner covers. I'm just going to make a crease in the middle. Just something little. And you want to get these ends as even as you can. Oh gosh, I'm going to use this. Well, and then this way. I have to make sure I glue this the right way now. You don't want to do that. Okay. It seems like the first, when I don't make these for a while, and then when I go to make them again, I always do it wrong. So I'm going to have to think as I make it. Okay, so I'm going to glue the outside. You don't want to glue them down because that's going to be your little pocket over the corner on the page. These are so fun to make. Well, to even put down. And depending how wide you make them, that's how big they're going to be on the page. So we'll bring this back. And it'll fit right over the page like that. Isn't that pretty? You can put it on the bottom where the writing will be right side up. And then you have a nice little tuck on both sides, just to tuck a little journaling card in there. So what I would do, or what I'm going to do, is just put a couple of drops of glue along the edge. So now it's going to grab onto here and here. Oh, look what I did. I have the other. Oh my gosh, I almost had that attached. And then so you'll have a journaling spot in here and in here for a journaling card. Okay. I want to use like the white pages behind some of the cardstock to put some ephemera. But here I want to put on a page on this side if I can. Say for instance right here, because this opens on this side. So this is a window envelope. I've made so many of them. And this I'm going to glue right down. And I have a charm on the journaling card. I have to make more of these because these look so good inside the journals, don't they? I really like these. This is my sticky down part. And I actually like when this part hangs off the journal. But I want to wipe this glue off because I put it down and then I moved it, which was bad. And I think I'm going to use my, use this with green, but oh gosh, this is not, oh gosh, I don't think this is good ink pad. I probably shouldn't even try to put it down, but I'm going to. Ugh. It's probably going to come out horrible. Oh no. Came out okay. All right, but I'm not going to use that. I'm not going to use this anymore. I'm actually going to throw it away. And I'm going to wipe this off on here. Because if I make another page corner, it's not going to, this will be on the inside. And nobody will know that it has pretty flower paint on it. Okay, and what I can put on here is some, I told you I made some ruffles. No, I don't want to put white on white. I have Tim Holtz. Oh, that looks nice. I'm going to put a little piece right at the top. Okay, let's see. Let's get this guy on there. All these little strings. Oh, but that looks pretty. You know, when I do my final go through on here, I usually ink these white pages just to put some color on it. You probably can't see the color on it on camera, although maybe you do, but it looks nice. Okay. All right, you know what else I have here that I want to do? Oh my gosh, where are they? I have some stencils here. Oh my gosh, you know what it is? I just have so much around here. This is so pretty. And I want to put red. I have a couple of these red ones. These are Studio G. These are old. But you know what? They still work. Although gosh, I was doing some other things with these inks earlier, and I washed the stencils here. I mean this pad, and it's a makeup brush or makeup puff. I use these for, I didn't use it for makeup. I use it for this here. Oh, but you know what? This red, I have it on coffee dye paper. Sometimes it doesn't. Unless it's a really deep red, it's not going to come out as vibrant as if it was on white paper. Ooh. Oh, that's gorgeous. Look at that. Really nice. That really came out nice. Maybe I'll put a red one on this brown paper. I bet it'll be pretty. Maybe I'll just put the top of it. I'm surprised it came out so vibrant. Oh, it even looks nice on there. Okay, that's one of my favorite pages. I probably should have done that on this here. Okay, let's see. I have this here. I have 15 pages here, so 15 times 4. Here's another little pocket, and I will glue it on 2 sides again. Okay. This I did stamping with those other wildflowers that I have. And it's on tracing paper. And then I sewed it onto this pocket. I sewed around this whole little pocket. And I'm going to put some more ruffles on here because it matches that. And it'll be pretty coming off the pages. Like over here, I think this is going to look pretty. I have another kind of blue also. I'm going to stick this down. I just love ruffles on the pages. I think it looks so pretty. Oh gosh, I almost lost my glue. Oh golly. Just trying to get all these strings off here. Okay. That looks pretty on these with these 2 pages. Oh, look this, I'm almost done. I'm almost finished with that. And I have, here's a postcard. I'm trying to think why. Okay, this is for, this is to go this way. Because then this is right side up, and here's a tuck, so that's what we'll do. We'll just glue this down. This is from my Wildflowers. This is a page from the Wildflowers of New Britain. They're gorgeous. That book is so pretty. Okay, so this is down there. And we'll have to get a journaling card in over there. And what could we put here? How is this going to open? This is over the page again with 2 journaling cards. So this can just be flipped in. And this will come in this way. But this needs to be decorated. But you know what we can do on here? We can stencil it. Now this is pretty, isn't it? We can do red because red on the brown looks good. I probably should have taken this out of the journal, this card. So let's see if it comes out okay. This makeup thing that I'm using is so squishy right now, and I think because it's still a little damp. Whoops. Oh, that looks so pretty. Look at that. Okay, I like that. But I think it needs something here. I don't know what. Okay, I have pink ribbon on there. Buttons. I could put that on there. I think that looks pretty on here. And I'll turn this off. Oh gosh, I can just see I'm going to be stamping now for the longest time because I'm having fun doing this stamping right now. Okay. Now I'm just going to hold this on here with a paper clip. Oh, that's another thing I have to make. I have to make the not hidden paper clips, but paper clips. Oh, that looks pretty. Oh, that's not a page. Okay. Let's see. I have 2 more to put in here. So let's find some pages. I want to find a white page. Okay. Oh, that looks pretty. That looks nice there. And this has to go on. This can go either way on the page. This is oh, this is, I thought that was a page. This is a flip. Not a flip. This is something very similar to this here that I made, except this is out and this here is tucked in, but going the opposite way. So I have a journaling spot there and then one in here. Okay, so this will go good here, and then I'll just put that there. And maybe I will just ink a little bit on the top. Well, on the whole page, just to get this white off that won't be covered up from here. Now, over here, I could probably put a piece of lace with bling. There's bling there and there. Just to give it a little something, because it looks like it needs something down here, doesn't it? You know, sometimes less is more, but other times more is more. I think it just depends the way you look at it. Okay. Now I could put a little, because there's blue on both of those, and I think I have, that's green, I think. I think that's that. Yeah, okay, I'm going to put three green on there. And we'll put that right there. Well, I think I'll use the art glitter glue. Oh, that looks so good. I am loving this one. And again, two sides. I probably shouldn't even say it anymore because you know that's what I do. Okay. Oh, I'm loving this. I love this piece. Oh my gosh. Okay. So, I think we're going to put this last one down, and I don't know where. Maybe we'll stick it we'll stick it right here. I think it looks good here. And this is another pouch. So I'll do it from the top and on the side. Oh, that's pretty. Maybe I won't even glue it down. I'm loving that. I don't think I'm going to glue it. I think I'm just going to clip it in here. It's too pretty to glue down. I know. Look at that. Okay. Okay, let's see. I think what I'm going to do here is put some, no, that's too, I want color. I'll put another ruffle right here. I think it's going to look nice behind that little, Yeah, behind that tag. That's going to look nice. Okay, so we'll put this down. And then I think that's about all we can do with decorating for now with this journal. Okay. Oh, that looks so pretty. I am loving this right behind there. I know it's so, I just think it's so pretty. You're probably thinking, what's wrong with that lady? That looks so nice. And it's a few pages away, but I think when the book is closed like this, it looks so pretty with this here right behind it. Okay. Yeah, so I think that's all I'm going to do today. And so the next time I come back, I'll finish up with, I think the pages are just about finished with ephemera, but I think what I want to do is give it a little bit more time with inking, put some more inking on here, and so maybe a couple of more ruffles, and then we'll close it up with, I don't know, maybe Sari silk on the front here, because I don't want to go across, I don't want to go, you know, invade this over here. So I think I'll just do something with a closure on the front and the back and bring it all together. So thank you so much for joining me. You have a good rest of your day and we'll talk soon. Bye-bye.